yeah. Let her go, yeah. Let her go, whoa. Let her go, yeah. She a hoe, whoa. Let her go, whoa. Let her go, yeah. Let her go, whoa. She a hoe, yeah. Let her go, go. Let her go, whoa. Let her go, yeah. She a hoe.
Hey guys, so today I did this sunset eye look. It's very easy. I forgot to put all of this on. Also I did what I used on this eyeshadow look is the Modern Renaissance palette and this single eyeshadow from Avon's. I don't know. Look at this one. It's the color is mustard yellow because I can't see an actual like bright yellow, that's why I just use a mustard color. But yeah, so I start off with my brows. I just line the bottom first and then I line the top and then I just fill them in. Sorry if my voice is so soft, I just woke up. And yeah, I just conceal around the brow so it's more sharp and defined. Then I just put some brow gel on so it stays in place, it's not gonna move around or whatsoever. And then I prime my eyelid with some concealer and I just let it out. Then I take some yellow eyeshadow. I didn't set my lid with some powder or white powder because I'll use a bright colors anyways, so yeah. Anyways, as I said on the beginning of the video, it's not like a bright yellow, it's a mustard yellow, but it's fine, okay? And then I use some orange color and put it on my crease. Then I just take a smaller, like real small brush and taking a hot pink color and putting it on my lower lid, just blending it through the orange color. And then I go back with the orange color and blending it together. And then I put more pink, but darker pink this time. I lighted my brow bone and inner corner with some glitter. And now I'm just putting foundation on. Then I just spray my beauty blender with some rose water. Yeah, and then I blend it all out. And it's so dark, you guys, like it's getting darker and darker. That's why I open the lights and I change the position of the camera, and yeah. And now I'm just putting some concealer on. Also, just a like disclaimer, I don't wear a lot of makeup in real life. I just, you know, every time I film it's like a glam or whatever, and also so that the video is gonna be longer. Now I just bake and wait for it to set. Now I just bronze the side of my cheeks. I don't know what's the difference between bronzer and contour. Like I should know because I want to be a beauty blogger, but whatever. And now I just baked under the contour, or yeah, bronzer, to make it look sharp. And now I'm just taking selfies. I only use Snapchat for filters, but I put this story on my Instagram, so you can follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link down below. And now I just wipe off the excess powder. That's yeah, the baking one. And then I contour my nose, and then I put the orange color on my lower lash line and the hot pink one. Yeah, I just put some I just put some highlighter on so that my skin doesn't look very matte, you know. And now I'm curling my lashes and putting some mascara on. Now I'm putting some nude lipstick. This nude is my favorite one. It's like orangey nude. And now I'm spraying my face with some rose water. I also use the rose water as setting spray. So yeah. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't.